In a world where partnerships define competitive advantage, trust is no longer just a nice to have. It's a core capability that fuels business ecosystems. In this video, I will explore why trust is essential in building business ecosystem strategy, how it operates, and most importantly, how you can build and scale it intentionally at every level. Hello, I'm Julian Kawohl, founder of Ecosystemizer and co-author of Ecosystemize Your Business. Let's dive in. In traditional business models, trust is important, a no-brainer. But in ecosystems, trust is absolutely essential. Unlike linear transactional relationships, ecosystems thrive on deep interdependence. Partners share data, co-create services, and jointly serve customers. This kind of collaboration can only succeed when trust is embedded, not just between individuals, but within the entire structure of the ecosystem. Trust accelerates decision-making, reduces the need for rigid control, and transforms loose networks into high-functioning systems. But trust doesn't happen by accident. It must be designed, earned, and sustained. Without it, even the most promising ecosystem strategies falter. With it, value flows freely. When we talk about trust in ecosystems, it lives on three key levels. First, there is strategic trust. This is about the highest level alignment between partners. Do they share a common vision? Are their goals compatible? Strategic trust is built when everyone believes they are moving in the same direction and that the benefits are mutual. Without this trust, collaboration feels risky. But with it, partners feel confident to invest in long-term initiatives together. Next, we have operational trust. This is the trust that comes from day-to-day reliability. Can partners consistently deliver on their promises? Meeting deadlines, sharing accurate information, and being transparent about capabilities all build operational trust. This kind of trust reduces friction and allows ecosystems to move faster with fewer controls. Finally, there is relational trust, the so-called human element of trust. It answers the question, do people feel psychologically safe to communicate openly? Relational trust grows over time through honest communication, empathy, and shared experiences. It's what transforms simple transaction into true partnerships and turns ecosystems into thriving communities. The strongest ecosystems don't just focus on one type of trust. They cultivate all three dimensions together, creating a foundation that supports deep and lasting collaboration. But building trust at scale means going beyond individual relationships. It requires deliberate action and thoughtful design to make trust an ecosystem-wide capability. So how can you build trust and scale trust across your business ecosystem? Based on our experience within many projects in the ecosystem context, here are 5 proven strategies to guide the way. First, start with small, visible wins. Launch low-risk collaborations that deliver real value. These early successes build credibility and show that partners can rely on each other. Next, define clear rules and roles. From the very beginning, set expectations around data sharing, decision-making, and how conflicts will be resolved. Clear governance structures build confidence and reduce uncertainty. Third, be radically transparent. Trust grows when everyone feels informed, not just about outcomes, but also about the reasoning behind decisions, the risk involved, and even setbacks. This openness fosters psychological safety throughout the ecosystem. Fourth, design for fairness. Avoid power imbalances that can breed mistrust. Use benefit sharing models that fairly reflect each partner's contribution. Fairness signals a commitment to long-term collaboration. And number 5, finally, create feedback channels. Build mechanisms for ongoing dialogue where every partner has a voice. Trust flourishes when people feel heard, respected, and valued. By intentionally designing for trust across these areas, your ecosystem can scale with resilience and speed, unlocking value for all participants. But what does trust look like in practice? Let's explore some real-world examples of how leading companies build and embed trust as a strategic foundation in their ecosystems. Take SAP, for example. They scale trust through robust governance with clear certifications, compliance standards, and well-defined partner roles. SAP builds both operational and strategic trust across thousands of partners. Next example is Alibaba. Alibaba takes a different approach by embedding trust directly into their platform. Through real-time transparency, customer ratings, and intelligent risk scoring, they scale relational trust at the speed of e-commerce, connecting millions with confidence. And then there's Volvo, which nurtures strategic trust with startups by focusing on mutual learning and clear alignment of purpose rather than imposing strict control. This approach helps startups feel like true partners, fueling innovation and collaboration. These examples showcase a variety how trust can be systematically designed and scaled, regardless of industry or ecosystem size. In ecosystems, trust isn't just a value, it's the architecture that holds everything together. It aligns partners around shared goals, enables open collaboration without constant oversight, and allows ecosystems to grow faster, more resiliently, and with less friction. To thrive in the ecosystem era, ask yourself, are we aligned on purpose with our partners? Can we reliably deliver what we promise? Do our partners feel safe, respected, and valued? To help you doing that, see tools like the Ecosystemizer strategy map or the ecosystem partner matrix. With these tools, you can evaluate your partner landscape and clarify your roles, because ecosystems grow at the speed of trust, and trust starts with intentional design. And the good thing, you can download the ecosystem strategy map on our website for free. If this video helped you understand why ecosystems are the future of business, please hit the like button and subscribe to the Ecosystemizer channel for more insights on building and thriving in business ecosystems. Thanks for watching and keep innovating.